Hi, I'm Liza with ImagineIf Libraries. You're at home with ImagineIf. Do you want to make some cool math art like this? We're going to use a concept called rotational symmetry. I'm going to flip the camera and show you how to do it. How is that even math? Well, it's all about geometry and the way that symmetry creates patterns. So rotational symmetry, rotational meaning spinning, and it's also called radial symmetry in biology. It is the property of a shape whereby it looks the same after it goes through a partial turn. But if you spin it, it'll look the same in a bunch of different positions. So the image that we made, or if you followed my instructions, your design will have 4th degree rotational symmetry. If you will be able to spin it 4 times and it'll look the same. Or think about a sea star with its 5 arms. You spin it into 5 positions and it'll look the same in each position. Or a circle, circles are pretty awesome. They have infinite rotational symmetry. You can put them in any position, right? And they're always going to look the same. So rotational symmetry, different than that other kind of symmetry that you've probably learned about in math, but still pretty darn cool. All right, go have fun making some math art. See you next time.